Hi everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti's, and we're on a lovely back deck, and we wanted to show you how easy it is to plant container gardens with palms as your thriller. This is a beautiful Majesty palm. This is a palm that is very used to full sun conditions, part shade conditions, can move inside, be a house plant in bright to medium indirect light as well, and it makes a beautiful thriller, nice and green and tropical. And of course, underplanting them with more tropical plants, flowering plants, is always a great thing to do. So underneath here we have a mixture. So obviously our palm is our thriller. As filler, I have some beautiful Coleus. This is actually called El Brighto Coleus, one of our favorites with that green, red, burgundy, and yellow foliage there. I also have this gold dust Croton as a nice filler plant. I love the dark, deep green of this foliage, and then also those yellow speckles. They just really pop out. And then also what we did with filler is kind of filled in with some lantana. And this lantana, of course, can get bushy and it'll come out a little bit, drop just a little bit, so we get a little bit of a trailing effect with it. But love that multicolored lantana. And of course, is a tropical flowering plant. They can get fairly woody. You can winter them over as well. And then this lovely Dipladenia, that bright red Dipladenia. It makes a great spiller. So we've got our thriller, our filler plants, and spillers. We're in a large, about 18-inch pot. It's pretty large. We have a 10-inch Majesty palm in the center, and so it's filled out. It took us about a bag and a third of Petitti planting mix as the soil. Again, well-drained soil, but planting mix will hold on to some moisture there, so you're not watering as often in this container. And I'd say hot, sunny days, you probably can get away with watering it thoroughly and then probably letting it go a day or two, and then going back and checking to make sure that you still have some moisture or that you need to re-water. And then all we needed to do was add some Osmocote in there. I like using the green cap Osmocote, especially for flowering plants, to really maintain that flowering, and water, and you're ready to go. Enjoy.